Hello YouTube friends, Tiago speaking, and today's video is going to be a short lesson on basic statistics. I'm going to be talking about the range, mode, median, and mean. Firstly, let me start off by telling you why studying the range, mode, median, and mean is important. If you're studying GCSE or A-level mathematics, you will find these concepts in the curriculum. Also, they're going to be foundational in your learning. The range, mode, median, and mean are also used in various job roles, such as accounting, investment banking, and sports analysis. You can say it's hard for ordinary people to get by in life without using averages. Alright, without further conversation, let me talk about the range, mode, median, and mean, and their specifics. So, I'm going to start off with the range. The range is simply the difference between the highest and lowest value in a data set. Let's say we have the values 2, 3, 7, 14, 21, 29, 34, 61, 98, and 105. What would the range be? Well, the lowest value is 2, and the highest value is 105. So the range would be 105 minus 2, and that gives you 103. The formula for the range is the highest value minus the lowest value. Okay, so what about the mode? The mode is the value that occurs most often in a dataset. If we have the values 2, 3, 9, 5, 6, 7, 7, 4, 15, 21, 7, 7, 8, 7, 3, 1, we'd have to say that 7 is the mode. That's because it appears the most. If, however, we have the values 2, 3, 2, 7, 7, 9, 9, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we'd have to call our dataset bimodal. This is because the values 2 and 9 appear the most often, each 3 times. If all the numbers in a dataset appear as often as each other, there is no mode. Moving on to the median. If you put a dataset in order and obtain the middle value, what you'll get is the median. So, for instance, if we put this data set in order, okay, so look at this data set over here, we put it in order, we'd have to call the median 10, as it's the middle value. It sits in position 8 out of 15 ordered numbers. Now it turns out that there's a procedure we can use to get the median value of an ordered data set. What we do is get the number of observations that exist, n, in this case 15, then divide by 2. If n over 2 is not whole, then round your result up and get the corresponding value. With the data set we're dealing with, n over 2 would yield the result 7.5. That is 15 divided by 2. So we'd say that the median value is the 8th term. Okay? So once again, the median would end up being 10 based on the set of values above. So we divided 15 by 2, we got 7.5, and then we rounded the result up to 8. So we had to take the 8th value in this data set with 15 numbers. And that is the number 10. Okay, now what happens if n over 2 is whole? Say we have the ordered data set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 observations, so n over 2 would be equal to 5. Since 5 is whole, we'd have to get the middle value between the 5th and 6th term. The middle value between 5 and 6 is 5.5. Therefore, in this case, the median would be 5.5. This is the same as 5 plus 6 divided by 2. As an example, let's get the median value of the data set over here. Here, there are 8 observations in order. 8 over 2 is equal to 4. Since 4 is whole, we have to find the midpoint between the 4th and 5th value. That would be 7 plus 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. As you can see, 7 and 9 are the 4th and 5th values. The median in this case would be 8. Finally, let me talk about the mean. The mean is equal to the sum of observations, sigma, divided by the total number of observations, n. With the data set below, x, what would the mean be? So we have the data set over here with all these numbers, and we have the number of observations, which is equal to 11. The sum of observations is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 35 plus 36 plus 49, and that is equal to 189. There are 11 observations, so the sum of observations over the number of observations is 189 divided by 11, and that is 17.18 to 2 decimal places. Therefore, in this case, the mean would be 17.18 to 2 decimal places. So in this video, I gave you descriptions of the range, mode, median, and mean. I hope that you now understand these concepts. If this video has been useful to you, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and follow me on mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Here you'll find many GCSE and A-level mathematics proofs. By the way, if you want to see the article related to this video, click the link below this video. It will take you there. That's all from me for today, and I'll talk to you again soon.